Generating images with Gemini and Nano Banana 2 can be a fun way to pass the time, but it often takes a lot of prompting to get something you're happy with. But now, Google is making that process simpler. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Now Gemini can tap into your Google Photos to get your preferences and style. The result is image generation that should take much less prompting. In a blog post announcing the feature, Google said that by adding this with Nano Banana 2, Gemini can automatically fill in the blanks and create things you care about most. And since this is built into how you normally use the Gemini app, there's no extra setup. If you've already linked your Google apps, that personal context is ready for you to start creating images. Now, instead of typing out a lengthy prompt, specifying every little detail of the image you want, you should be able to lean on much simpler ones. Plus, since Google Photos already lets you tag the people and pets in your photos, you can use that information in your prompts as well. Want to create an image that shows your family chilling on the beach? Gemini can pull in your family members using the context from your Google Photos library. And for privacy-focused users, Google says that it never directly trains its models on your private Google Photos library. Instead, it trains specific prompts in Gemini to improve functionality over time. Even connecting your Google apps to Gemini is totally your choice. For now, this feature is rolling out now to only Google AI Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers in the US and might reach more users soon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.